livelihood to 30 women has come up only because we have power there. Right? In Akroli village itself, a new shopping complex has come up next to our power plant only because the power plant exists. Right? So we aggregate demand from the telecoms, we provide to the local small micros, guaranteed power between 5:30 in the evening and 11:30 in the morning. Right? It goes all the way up to people who can afford, the Mukhya in the village or the local farmer. He runs much bigger things. He has a meter connection. The micro enterprise is a meter connection. Right? Now, what we realized, we've been doing this for a while. We have put up 70 power plants, aggregating to 2 point, settle down at a certain pace. Right? So you need interventions to spur industry to use this electricity that is suddenly available. And the way we are doing it is in 5 of our power plants, we are running a pilot to do micro cold storages. These are really very small things. When you think cold storage, you think of those big warehouses. We are doing it in a 24 container sized thing, which allows local farmers the ability to store it before it can be shipped off to the larger. So you think of it as a feeder consistently, right? Sometimes in not in so good ways, sometimes in exceptionally good ways, right? And so we are also in the process of running pilots to do electric vehicles, basically those electric auto rickshaws, and also to do
advertisement distributed India waste every year 10 gigawatt minimum. Globally it could be 100 gigawatt. So saving 10 gigawatt itself is a saving and revenue generation. You don't have to generate. You divert that 10 gigawatt to the remote areas or to the Chhattisgarh or to the Bihar and other states. These are the concepts which can bring those type of simplicity in the lives of people. So that is where some of these applications we are thinking to share with your people. We have a B90 in our stall here. Everybody is welcome to visit there and understand a little more with a working prototype displayed there. We have installed to MES Secunderabad, MES Chennai, Faridabad, 2 in Bombay in a residential colony, and one of them is being installed in Lucknow end of this month, 5 kilowatts solar in one of the government offices. These are some of the things. They are not very listed. They are only about 5 crore rupees company, but from a 20 lakh rupees to 5 crore in 3 years is still not bad. We are only a 26 people company, but we have a global approach. We do a lot of work in the virtual engineering and reality, augmented reality also. So solar is one of the major fields we are focused. We keep developing more products in the solar, and we hope possibly by 2020 we could be $100 million company. The way we have been inventing new things based on the data and my Indian solar product. Also, this was declared the most innovative off-grid system by Mission Energy Foundations in Mumbai. So it has got a good recognition. Recently, British Engineering has been awarded the most innovative engineering company by US Association. And 29th May, they had invited us to receive that gold award. So we are not limited to India. Our innovation is being viewed by the global people and global leaders, and they have recognized as well for our efforts. And innovation is a main thought. We want to bring something which nobody else is doing in India, and all those concepts we are doing is possibly first time in India. The wind solar 3 is never in the world. You can see it is first time it will be displayed next month in Hyderabad in Renewables. And solar car, which people are a lot of solar cars are there, but there is no car in India which is commercially available for a hybrid model. And a 7.5 lakh we will release a thermal, basically a solar battery operated car, 125 km day, suitable for any of the Indian city for a day-to-day application. That is what we are trying. So this is what is our option. If you have any question about the solar concept, anything, how it works, and any question.
Where is he? Is he here? I call upon Mr. Manoj Pawar, Product Manager of Clean Tech Division at Avenue. Please come and deliver your presentation.
I'll just brief you what our company does. Evolute is a multi-industry, multi-technology conglomerate. We have innovative solutions in domains like fintech, health tech, clean tech is solar basically, and industrial electronics. In fintech, we are manufacturing end-to-end solutions for financial inclusion. In health tech, we'll be coming out with affordable ECG and ventilators. In clean tech, we are mostly working on batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and some solar solutions like solar home lighting and solar street lights. In industrial electronics, we are providing solutions to industrial electronics by distributing components and solutions to OEMs. Now, when we talk about lithium-ion batteries, if you see the global scenario, this is somewhere around 2009. The total revenue share of lithium-ion batteries was around 37% compared to the other batteries which are available in the market. And if you see, even today, if you see in India, lead-acid batteries are most commonly used batteries, like maintenance-free batteries are there. Then you have deep discharge batteries in lead-acid. But if you see the trend which is going on, slowly people are shifting towards lithium-ion batteries. Till last 1 year, people were not using lithium-ion batteries in street lights. If you see, the scenario is changing now. People are opting for lithium-ion batteries due to various advantages what they have. If you see the Indian scenario for lithium-ion batteries, the growth of lithium-ion batteries in India is almost at 32% CAGR. It will be, it is replacing, like wherever there is a portable application, it is replacing. What is happening is it is gaining popularity in LED lighting and street lightings. So there are some benefits you can see here compared to the batteries which are already available in the market, which are flooded lead-acid batteries or VRLA type batteries. VRLA are basically the sealed maintenance-free batteries which are available. The energy density, if you compare, of flooded lead-acid battery, it is around 80 watt-hour per liter. So in a battery, lead-acid battery, you can get 80 watt-hour per liter, whereas in VRLA it is around 100. But if you look at lithium-ion, you get around 250 watt-hour per liter. The specific density, the specific energy which you get from lead-acid batteries is around 30 watt-hour per kg, 40 watt-hour per kg from VRLA, and in lithium-ion you will be getting, there is no maintenance required. But if you are going for flooded lead-acid batteries, you have to maintain the batteries regularly. I am not going for the cost because these are the old costs. Life cycle, if you compare, the flooded batteries at 50% depth of discharge, you get around 1200 cycles, the charge-discharge cycle. Around 1900 at 80% depth of discharge, charge-discharge cycles. The temperatures, even if you see the temperature sensitivity, the degradation is high in lead-acid batteries, even at 25 degrees centigrade. But the lithium-ion batteries can go up to 45 degrees centigrade. If you see the efficiency, if you are using 10 Ah battery is discharged at 10 ampere, it will give 50% of the energy, that you will get only 5 Ah out of it till it gets totally discharged. Whereas you can at 1C also, lithium-ion will give almost 100%, somewhere around 96% of capacity. the voltages which are available in lead acid are only 2 volts, because lead can generate only up to 2 volts of voltage. And if you look at lithium ion, the per cell voltage is around 3.7 volts. So here, that's the reason why the specific energy has increased in this. They don't mention lithium ion batteries in there. So if they introduce lithium ion batteries there, people will start using lithium ion batteries also. Thanks.
Scout pipe daylight. We take the measurement of base plate of scout pipe and mark it on roof. We cut the roof as per base plate. We fix the base plate.
Of entertaining, enriching the experiences of the people. I have seen in the last couple of presentations how the people have touched the extreme remote of our country in terms of energy conservation. That is the basic point where we can attend to. Coming on to the basic topic, what I am representing, EV Global. EV Global is a company which is bringing natural lighting system and natural ventilation systems together. We have been working in the industry for the condition there was that we don't have to lit any single light during daytime in the plant itself. Here we can see we are discussing energy conservation, so many solutions are available. If you go downstairs where we are having our exhibition, you can see lot of lights being blown up during daytime. A lot of light is available outside. Why we need to use that much of energy, and from my point of view it is a complete wastage of energy. We are having enough light outside, we need to bring that light inside. If we are talking of energy conservation, we have to use every bit of it. That is what we are doing as of now. The concept of using daylight is not new for all of us. We have been using it for years. Initially, the basic thing, the basic occupation of was farming, the agriculture. So we used to get the light, we don't have to use any light. The routines of the human being were very kind of systematic. We used to wake up in the morning, we used to sleep early in the night. So we were not using the artificial lighting as such in those days. With the growth of industrialization, what has happened is we have started using artificial light more and more with each passing day. This is actually the growth of the natural lighting system. When we see in a bigger perspective, initially we were having smaller kind of sheds. If we talk of industries or if we talk of our own houses, initially we were having single floor houses where only the ground floor was there. It was in the earlier days when the house were made of mud or only bricks, when we are having ground floors. So we were having windows and doors. They were able to give us the light completely throughout the day. Now we have come in the industrial scenario, we are going bigger and bigger. If we put windows, say on the sides of the shed, they will not be able to impart lighting during daytime in the mid of the shed, because the width of the shed is increasing like anything. Now, this has led to the development of this concept, so that we can bring natural light inside. But why do we need natural light inside? The thing is, when we are talking of so many developments, we are talking of CFL, we are talking of LED, then we are talking of TV, hormonal, clock starts, and we get activated. You can easily see when we reach the peak of the day, we are the most energetic people. And as the sun starts setting down, we start losing our energy. That is how the nature has made us upon. And that is the reason of using the daylighting for normal human being. What has happened, we all are following hectic schedules. We come to offices at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, and when we leave, sun has already set in. I was going through a report from WHO. This has been the foremost reason of this deficiency, because that has been gifted to us by nature free of cost. and unfortunately we are not being able to use it up. That is where we are for the industry, the workmen who work day in, day out inside the sheds. They are not exposed to sunlight, they are not exposed to the vitamin D which is already available with us. So initially it was the first thing which we started using was door and windows for to get a natural light during daytime. Then what happened? With the increase of sheds or the size of the shed, we were not able to get the light throughout the shed. Then we started using north lighting system. This was the concept when we don't use to get the heat of the sun, most of the sun, because we get diffused light from the north side. Sun is always placed on the southern side. Then again, because north light